Lily's first strawberry.
Hold it.
Oh.
Hold it.
Best strawberry she'll probably ever have.
Yes, brought from John and Melody from California.
Yeah, maybe we should cut it in half.
That's a huge strawberry.
Hold on.
Andy used to suck the guts out of.
Feels good on her teeth.
Yeah, let her just do her thing with it.
Pickles.
Mm.
Oh, she's doing fine.
Jenny likes pickles.
Oh yeah, buddy. Nice mohawk, kid.
I'm getting a weird light
Look
thing.
at the belly. Strawberry juice on the belly.
Oh, you're getting a weird light from the lights.
Yeah. It's better over here.
Oh no, you know what? Leave them up. I'll leave them up. No, you gotta because it'll be too dark.
You want more?
No, we're good.
Oh, you're recording it.
Yeah.
How cool.
Look, she's got it all over her face now. Yummy!
Hey Bob, did you see this?
Oh, she loves it. Look, she's got her first strawberry.
Yummy.
Oh, I think most of it just feels good on her teeth too. It's cold.
But she likes it.
Yeah, definitely.
She didn't like the. Oh, look, she's going after it, man.